So currently we're looking at the ad intelligence tool, and then we have the top advertisers section down here. So the top advertisers will show you the most advertising apps in each category, ad network, country, and then you can also filter by date. So currently we can see who is running the most ads and which one has the most creatives, how many platforms they have, how many impression score they got, what is their category, and we can see all of it down here to understand what are the industry trends. You can filter these based on ad networks to see which ones are the more popular ones, and then if you want to do an app by app analysis, you can go and click onto this app and it will open its own page where you can see all of the creatives they have. So currently we can see most of the creatives for TikTok here. We can see that which network they use, what type of creatives they use. Is it in a video or an image? We can see, if applicable, we can see the call to action, the duration, the first and last scene, and how much of the impressions does this creative get. And then also I'm able to see and watch these creatives. I can even download them from here. I can see the country, I can see the subtitle, the title. So this allows user acquisition teams to make a more detailed analysis of their competitors' marketing strategies, and then you can see what type of call to actions work, what type of doesn't work, which ad networks are the more popular ones, what type of titles they use, what type of subtitles they use. So all of these information is just one click away from you.